Hello everyone, this is Darwin again, and I'm here again with our next unboxing of a phone which is Honor View 20. So this phone which I got, this is a global edition, and since this phone has been out for a while, so let's go ahead and do some unboxing and run down through the specs. So starting with the specs, this phone has a 6.4 IPS LCD display and a 48 megapixel camera. It also has a 6 GB of RAM and the flagship high silicon Kirin 980. So for those who doesn't know, Honor is a sub-brand Huawei. So the software is pretty much same as the other Huawei devices, which runs EMUI 9.0. So the version I got was a blue version, which is called Sapphire Blue. The model number is PCTL29. So any global, if your guys are wondering if the phone is globally supported or not, you gotta go and grab the one with model number PCTL29. So this has the Google Apps pre-installed in it, so that way you don't run into any problems. Okay, going ahead. So this is a phone itself. So that's a sapphire blue color. The fingerprint is rear mounted. That's the main 48 megapixel camera, and that's the secondary camera, which is also called a TOF camera. So going ahead, if I unlock the phone, you can see. So it runs on EMUI 9 Magic UI, and the build number is 9.0.1 out of the box. So this is pretty much same as EMUI with similar functionality. So if you guys can see, that's the whole punch hole display right there. Actually, let me go ahead and change the wallpaper so that you guys can see. Okay, there you go. So now you can pretty much see the hole in the display, which was a great idea to put the selfie camera in the display. The whole display as in looks so good because it's edge to edge display, and the phone itself is awesome. So it still has the 3.5mm headphone jack, and this is a dual SIM model. It does have a notification LED as well, for those who are wondering. So just keep this phone aside and go ahead and see the box. So here we have a headphone, a USB cable, and a charging dock. So this also has the fast charging, same as Huawei devices, which charges the phone at 22.5 watt, so that you'll get like 30 minutes of charge. 30 minutes of charge will get you around like 50 to 55%, so which is pretty good. So I have all the Huawei phones, so regarding charging I don't have issues, I don't have problem at all. They charge at a really good speed. So you still get a silicone case as well, and some paperwork as well. Okay, that's it for the unboxing and the specs rundown of this video, guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment on the link on the video, and I'll be getting back to you. And please like and do subscribe on this video, and again, thank you for watching.